Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Android Test Station and set it up properly. First, navigate to source.android.com, click on Design, Test, and under Android Test Station you can find the user guide. We have provided a simple download command. Just copy and paste the command in your terminal. You have downloaded ATS. You can check via MTT version to see what version of ATS that you just installed. And here we have installed release 9. Now you can start ATS by simply typing MTT start. By default, it starts with the prod version. If you have an older version, you can try force update option. If you are in a proxy environment, ATS will read in your environment variables such as HTTP proxy, HTTPS proxy, and no proxy. So as long as you set these environment variables correctly, your ATS will function correctly. If you are using a SSL proxy with a custom CA, you can use extra CA cert option and pass in the appropriate parameters. To see what argument you can pass along with MTT start, you can type MTT start-h and you can find specific command usages. Now we start ATS. We can view the interface on localhost 8000. The first thing we see is Setup Wizard that guides you through the setup process. Hit Get Started. First, you will be asked if you have a config file backed up from another ATS instance. If you don't, hit Next. Next, it will ask you if you have a service account whitelisted by Google so that you can access Android partner config sets. If you do, hit Upload here. Here, we strongly suggest you use your GTS service account. After uploading, you can select which ones you want to import. Hit Import and you are good to go. Last, you will be asked to provide Wi-Fi information to allow the CTS device setup action to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. If you make mistake in any of the above steps, you can always change in Setting tab. And if you want to set up another ATS instance, you can export all the settings you configured via Export button on top, or import a configuration to set up this ATS instance. And under config sets, you will be able to see which configs that you have just imported. And that's how you can install ATS and set it up easily.